friendly little ghost, isn't it? Let me show you how to draw one from this simple shape. Are you ready to dive in? I know you've got my back. As always, we'll kick off with a simple shape. Now, can you guess what's going right beside it? Another shape, so our little friendly ghost can be complete. He's gotta be all breezy and light, just like our shape. It's all about that easy breezy vibe. So, his eyes and smile. Yeah, they'll be serving up that same breezy charm. We gotta give him a rad haircut. And tell me what snazzy details would you put on our tiny ghost? Give me your best spooky style. Looking good, my man. Time to whip out that marker and show those lines who's the boss. And tell me, do you have some spooky little story to share? I am all ears. Look at those lines. You've been hitting the drawing gym, haven't you? Nice work, and never give up. Our little dude has the lines so smooth. He is practically surfing through the air. As he should. Now that we're cruising toward the finish line, let's talk colors. Get wild and unleash your inner color wizard. Check out my example for some inspo. And as you already know, for more videos like this, check out scribblepeeps.com. Bye.